Well, everyone, the iPhone 16e just ended up getting announced. I want to go and do a quick comparison between the iPhone 16e and the iPhone 16. Now, number one, the iPhone 16 is going to be the better iPhone in every single way, but it's also $200 more expensive than the 16e. The 16e is $599, the 16 is $799. Now, they both have the same size display. As far as brightness goes, I'm assuming they're going to be the same brightness, same 60 Hz. Although the iPhone 16 has a dynamic island, the iPhone 16e basically has the notch up top. A little bit outdated when it comes down to it. On the bottom, both have USB Type-C ports. They both have the same button layout as well. The action button, as well as, the other, volume button there too, which is really cool. The 16e does not have that camera button though, so keep that in mind. On the backside, both have these glass backs, which is nice. The iPhone 16e though has a single camera setup. Apple calls it like a 2-in-1 camera system. I'm not really too sure how that's going to hold up. The iPhone 16 though has that dedicated ultra-wide camera, which is really, really nice. So that is going to be something that's going to be really nice to kind of see how that holds up. The iPhone 16e does not have that 0.5x lens. Now, on top of that, both of them have the same chipset though, which is actually nice. Both of them have the Apple A18 chipset, and both of them have Apple Intelligence and 8GB of RAM presumably. So that is going to be another really cool thing going on here too, that both of them have that same type of capability when it comes down to that side. Now, on top of that, they both have satellite connectivity. Apparently, the iPhone 16e has the Apple C1 chipset, which is the first cellular modem chipset that Apple has made inside of their phone. So it's going to be very cool to see how that actually ends up, kind of holding up. The craziest thing though, the iPhone 16e is stated to have 26 hours of video playback, where the iPhone 16 has 22 hours of video playback. So there's a very high likelihood the iPhone 16 could actually end up getting worse battery life than the 16e. So we're going to have to wait and see what happens, but at a high level, those are basically the main differences. If you have more money, go for the iPhone 16, but there are some cases where the 16e might be a better phone. So I'd love to hear your thoughts about this. Let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.